I know why you like it with the hands better, because it hits better, right? But with the gloves, it's alright, it doesn't matter. If you still kick something...
Gloves are heavier, so it makes your hands quicker.
Ready? Come, let's do that combo again.
I wish I won with them. Do you, John?
Look at this. Look at this shit. Look at this. Watch.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it, Carl. Hear that? That's it.
Keeping time with me, yeah? Ready?
Carl.
Oh, you're too quick for me.
They sound thunderous. That's it.
Right, we start slow.
John,
This is how we do. We start slow and we build up, yeah?
John.
Champions, Rocky, there, look at you, Rocky.
I'm allowed to-
Rocky, look, keep guard up, keep guard up, keep guard up. Keep guard up. Keep guard up. Yes, good guard. Show me. Show me, show me, show me, show me. Ready? Go.
Hey, Sam, we can talk to him.
Oh, oh.
We're going to talk to Chesney. We're going to talk to him.
That's it, Joe. That's it, Joe. Keep your hands up.
Look at you.
That's it. That's
Alright,
it.
it's alright, so go again, go again.
Keep your hands up. Shame hook, hook.
Where are you?
Joe, you're so fast.
Where are you?
That's it, Joe.
That's unfair. I know that's unfair. Let's go downstairs.
Watch, watch, watch. You watching it? You watching it?
Don't let him trick ya.
Watching it? Look.
That's it.
Good boy, keep guard up. Ready? Look.
Have one. I've got it.
Good boy.
I don't want it. Take it. If you want to have it, take it.
If I show you it, bang, yeah? Otherwise, we do 1, 2 underneath. Ready? Good boy.
Oh, it's alright, it's alright.
It's alright, it's alright.
It's alright, it's alright.